Given the radius of a circle is 3, what is the y-coordinate of a point on a circle in terms of theta? So let's draw a circle. Approximate circle with a radius of 3. So this is positive 3 and this is negative 3. So let's draw a nice random point over here, and we're trying to figure out the x and y coordinates. We're going to specifically focus on the y value, which is this height here. Now this is not a unit circle. The radius here happens to be 3. That's the hypotenuse. So what can we say about theta? Using right triangle trigonometry, we know that sine theta is equals to opposite, which is y, over the hypotenuse, which is 3. Multiply both sides by 3, we have y is equals to 3 times sine theta. So this is the answer. Similarly, using cos theta, if you wanted to do this, we could find that cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And the adjacent would be x. X over hypotenuse is 3. Multiply both sides by 3. We also have cos theta is equals to 3 times cos. X is equals to 3 times cos theta. So in general, y is equals to the radius times sine theta, and x, the x coordinate, is equals to the radius times cos theta.